Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Troubleshooting batch file not running Python script. Introduction. Batch files are scripts used primarily in Windows environments to automate tasks. They can be used to execute various commands and programs, including Python scripts. However, sometimes users encounter issues where a batch file fails to run a Python script properly. This tutorial aims to guide you through the troubleshooting process for such situations. Step 1. Check Python installation. Ensure that Python is installed on your system and the path environment variable is set correctly. To verify this. Step 2. Verify Python script. Before troubleshooting the batch file, ensure that the Python script runs correctly when executed directly. Follow these steps. Step 3. Create or modify the batch file. If the Python script runs successfully when executed directly but fails when invoked from a batch file, there might be an issue with the batch file itself. Follow these guidelines to create or modify the batch file. Replace script_name.py with the name of your Python script. 3. Save the file with a .bat extension, such as run_script.bat. Step 4. Check file paths. Ensure that the batch file and the Python script are located in the same directory. If they are located in different directories, provide the full path to the Python script in the batch file. For example, Step 5. Debugging output. To help diagnose the issue, you can add debugging output to both the batch file and the Python script. For example, in the batch file, you can add echo statements to display messages. Similarly, in the Python script, you can use print statements to output messages to the console. Step 6. Run as administrator. If the batch file or Python script requires elevated privileges, such as accessing system resources or modifying protected files, try running the batch file as an administrator. Right-click the batch file and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues where a batch file fails to run a Python script. Remember to check Python installation, verify the Python script, create or modify the batch file, check file paths, add debugging output, and run the batch file as an administrator if necessary. ChatGPT